Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace unable to confirm your age. So the first thing you want to do in order to fix it is to verify your age. In account settings, so to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on these three bars right over here. Then once you're here, go ahead and press on this gear icon. Then you want to go ahead and select on see more in account center. Then underneath account settings, you will see this option. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. Then you want to go ahead and select on birthday, and from here you want to go ahead and edit your birthday and make sure you are at least 18 years old. So keep in mind that if you frequently change your birthday too much, Facebook may flag your account. So please make sure to don't mess it up and make sure you actually put your age in there. Also, it may ask you to confirm your identity. So if it doesn't so if it does ask you, then you want to go ahead and press on identity confirmation right over here. And basically what it's going to make you do is it's going to make you upload a government issued ID just to make sure that you're actually the owner of the account and stuff like that, and that your age is correct. So again, it may ask you to actually confirm your identity. So if you need to confirm your identity, just remember here is where you would go in order to do that. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.